Course continued. I have more than 20 students. It's actually approaching 30. That's too many for the Zoom thing. Not that the app can't handle it. It just wouldn't be effective. So I'm going to have to figure out how to separate it in two groups, maybe 15 and 15. And be group 1, group 2. And they will be archived. I can do it two ways, either on Zoom or easiest way is on YouTube and just not make it public, okay? What are the prerequisites for the course? Well, to do the 5 fingerings, you need to know the names of the notes on the low E string. That means the string that's closest to your chin. You believe that? I've taught guys that got the fucking low E and the high E fucking mixed up. There you go. So that's enough to do the 5 fingerings, okay? They're not scale degrees, okay? They are, but that's not what they are. They're pictures of where all the consonant notes, consonant meaning not dissonant, not extensions and alterations, to any progression from the key of C. Example, 3-6-2-5, 1-6-2-5, or 2-5-1 to start out with, okay? Now, for chords, if you know, you would have to know names of the notes on the fingerboard. That would make it easier, but you can learn it just by pictures, too. The more you know, the easier it's going to be. Would help if you know a jazz tune, chord melody style, but not necessarily not to start, because we won't get to that until maybe the second Zoom the following month. Actually, no. The second part would be soloing over 2-5-1 or 1-6-2-5 in each of the 5 positions, okay? Also, in the very beginning, very first one, I'm going to show you some scales, major scales. Like I said before, you need to know that so you can play your instrument. Also, it gives you a sense of what a tonal center is. The last note of any major scale is the leading tone, the one that leads to the tonic, okay? Do not practice them C, G, D, A. Bullshit. Academic horseshit, okay? C, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B, E, A, D, G, and then do C again, okay? That's the way you practice everything. Fucking everything. Tunes, chord progressions, common chord progressions. Don't go the other way. Music doesn't go that way. B minor 7, G7, C. If you follow that circle, goes around. Fucking memorize it, okay? It's a lot less to memorize than the multiplication tables. Taples. Let me know some other things that I'm going to leave the comments on. And don't worry about how to donate, okay? The donation days are over. That ship sunk. Okay, and I'm not giving anything away for free anymore. There's no reason to donate. Save the money for the courses, and I'll see. I'm going to need at least a week because I'm going away for a week, starting tomorrow. I'll be back to leave Friday. I'll be back the following Friday. And so I will take the laptop with me, and I'll try and get some PDFs made for some basic music theory, like key signatures. You need to know this shit. Sharps, flats, how to harmonize a major scale in triads. A lot of this shit you're going to have to take on faith, okay? You'll thank me later after you know it. You'll start to see it in music. Like, for example, G-Spy had four bars of G major seventh. What can I play? Well, that will tell you what you could play. So some of it you got to take on faith. Just fucking learn the fucking chat. No need for donations. All right. So give me some time to work this out. And I will email everybody back when I have something. All right? All right, thanks for your time. I'm really very, very surprised that many people would want to sign up. But it's not a bad thing. This is good shit. Gets rid of the riffraff. I shouldn't say riffraff. Yeah, fucking riffraff. No, it's not true. There's a lot of fans out there, and I do appreciate that. A lot of the messages I get, I don't really understand half you said, but they find the YouTube thing entertaining. And, it's not dead forever. Nothing is dead forever. So as updates get going with these Zoom classes, I will do a YouTube. No need to donate to that. All right, thanks for your time. There's always an addendum, because as soon as I cut that off, I thought about something else. Okay. They are not modes. Talk about the 5 fingerings. They're not modes. They're not fucking scales, and they have absolutely nothing to do with the caged system. That's a pile of academic fucking dung. Okay, picture a big mountain of fucking dung that's moving. Pick an animal. I particularly like giraffe dung, okay? It moves, it grows, it's small. Fuck the caged. Garbage. Garbage. Remember The Odd Couple? With Walter Matthau and Jack Lemmon? Now it's garbage. Walter Matthau line. So it's none of that shit, okay? Try and learn a simple tune. I'm going to prepare Blue Bossa. It's got 2 tonal centers, E flat and D flat. It's the simplest tune to apply the 5 fingerings to. There'll be another separate section. I don't know where exactly in the course that it will fall. Arpeggios. We're going to take them out of those 5 fingerings. And I will, once again, show the difference between major scales and the 5 fingerings, okay? Minor scales are the same notes as the major scale, just start different. Harmonic minor, change 1 note. Harmonic minor, change another note. You need them all. They're not hard. They're not hard at all. It's not rocket science, okay? All right, end of rant.